Hi friends, I'm Ranjit, and in this short video I will tell you more about the touring capabilities of Speed 400. I own an Interceptor and this is one of my friend's bike, and I took it out for a 150 kilometers odd trip to Munnar from Cochin. I will compare it with the Interceptor on which I've been touring quite a lot for a couple of years now. This is a very good machine for city rides and occasional highway rides where something around 200 kilometers would be quite doable and very comfortable. It's a very nimble machine, and so very comfortable to ride. The shock absorbers are amazing. The tires are quite grippy, and it's very good for short tours. Why I say short tour is that it's only when I compare it with Interceptor. Interceptor is slightly heavier machine, so it feels more planted on highways. Second thing, what I feel is that the seat in this is slightly upward from a certain angle. So what happens is, once you are seated on this, you tend to lean slightly forward because of the riding angle, and which I find slightly difficult because to explain it simply, you are in this motorcycle, you are sitting on the motorcycle and you are leaning forward because of the angle. In an Interceptor, with the touring seat, you are sitting into the motorcycle. With modified handlebars, the ride can be made more upright. In this, I have put a 1-inch riser, so it's slightly more straight, but still your body angle is slightly slouched forward, which because I've been riding Interceptor, and before that I was riding a RE 350 old model with RD 350 handlebar. So I find that posture very comfortable for longer rides because you have absolutely no pressure on your hands when you are riding. You are very comfortably seated. In this, I think I miss that composure, but I think it's just a matter of getting used to. Second most important thing is that the gap between the seat and the tank and the handlebar is less. So if you're putting a mobile holder somewhere here, what happens is that when you're riding and you have to take your eyes off slightly lower because you're sitting slightly higher, so you're to look at the mobile, you have to bend down your head, and that time you are not seeing the road. That is one reason why I also removed the bar and mirrors and put a regular mirror on this. So that is slightly uncomfortable. Whereas in Interceptor, I sit like this, so my eyes, I can see my mobile holder stays here, so I can very comfortably see this and keep riding. Here I have to bend this way, and then I have to top my head to have a look at the road. So that is one thing. Again, I think it is a matter of getting used to, but I found these two quite different to what my Interceptor behaves. Both the ride qualities are very. It is more plusher ride on a Speed 400 rather than an Interceptor. The shock absorbers are not that great in it. So Speed 400 is a big thumbs up to the capacity of it for touring. I'll have to take it for longer rides, but I don't know whether I'll get that opportunity to take it longer than say the 150 kilometers I have taken. You should consider Speed 400 if you are riding more in the cities and occasional trip for breakfast rides or occasional trip to the highways. You should consider this. But if pure highways is your area of interest, then go for the Interceptor. Both the bikes are good, and I really am enjoying this. Bye bye for now.